Hey you guys, Josh here bringing you another video today. This is just a normal vlog. I'm not going to go ahead and do anything. I just want to give you guys a quick update. My sound system, I happened to recently blew a fuse, and also I even blew the fuse in for my lights, so now I won't be able to ride it for a while until I be able to get a fuse for that. But I'm going to go out today and get its fuse. Now, I have a real great announcement. Pretty soon, I'm going to be making my very own car bodies for RC cars because I'm getting me a 3D printer, and that's how I'm going to be making it. Now, where are they? Ah, here they are. I want to show you guys these. It has changed last time you have saw them. I cut off the middle part right here, and now the front axle and the back axle is free. And I also did a video update. Here it is. I measured from the center of the wheels where they are, and it's 1 foot and 1/4. So basically, I got the dimensions to where I'm going to mount those axles and the exact wideness of it. So I pretty much know how to what to do, and I'm actually basing it off of this post right here. That post is really helping me a lot. So it's basically all coming together, and also give you guys another quick update on my part. Oh, forgot. This right here is a defect right here, and I did not took a look at that when I did the video that day, and I just now happened to thought about that, and stickers are still on. I'm trying to make this thing more accurate, but I kind of got them backwards. But oh well, it's not that big of a deal. And pretty soon I will be doing the front axle, and that's going to go on there like that. I got some wheels coming. So, and also I've been working on a video right now that has let's see, that has a lot of it just shows the steps of what I've been doing, what parts I've been doing, what I have been doing some upgrades to this right here, to these right here to get them ready. But this here I might have to take off, or I might have to modify this right here. But I still have the turn mechanism right here, but I'm not for sure how I'm going to do that, because where the axle is, I'm going to have to figure that out. But I do know where I'm going to put the battery at and how I'm going to charge the battery. This right here will be right in the back of the passenger seat, and the cord will be hanging out right there. You can just easily tuck it in and tuck it right out to charge it. And then this right here will be connected to the motor, easy to insert, and then the back of the trunk can actually take out, so you can actually unplug it so it won't blow up. So that's what I basically got playing with today. Let's see. I want to show you guys this. I have upgraded these wires here. I got this all back together again. Now here's the wires here. I did extend the wires a little bit. I got to get two new fuses for that and for this. So I'm basically got my work cut out for me right now. I got this project going on, and I got the DeLorean project coming on. So I got a lot of projects right now. So, and as for these right here, as for this right here, let me know, you guys, if you guys want me to do this, and if you guys want me to do it, I'll do it. And if whoever is in the lucky winner will actually win this, and the second place winner will win the medium sized one. So hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. That's all I ask for you guys. Smash that like button. Leave a comment down below that, hey, do that project, Josh. Do that project. Now, let's see. Oh, the Nightwing project. That is still Batwing project. I mean, that's still going to be going on. I'm going to be that's going to be my first scale right there, and I'm going to make it more bigger and make it more. It's going to be more like a jet. I gotta go to the hardware store though and get the supplies for it, but I don't know for sure about that. And also, the DeLorean is coming along pretty good. I have been polishing these suckers all the time right now. I mean, I got to polish it again, but I don't really want to ruin these because these are so nice and real metal. I don't know when I'm going to be getting my next subscription. Hopefully, it'll be sometime next week. But those are really nice to have. I'm actually real glad about this project. So, that's my video for today, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. And see you guys next time.